Hey, what's going on? It's the Bearded One back at you again with a new video. Hey, so in today's video, we're going to talk about, are interest rates going to go down? All right. So if you don't know, the Feds are going to be meeting today as we speak, deciding whether or not they're going to lower the interest rates. Okay. So are they going to go down? Yes, maybe not. I don't know. Stay tuned to the video. All right, so let's get into today's video. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Maurice Murphy. I go by the Bearded One. I'm a licensed Florida realtor here in the Jacksonville, Florida or Northeast Florida area. So I service all 4 counties, Nassau, Duval, Clay, and St. Johns County. So if you're moving to the area, hit me up in the comments and I'll help you out. And on this channel, I talk about tips for buyers and sellers. I also talk about what's going on in and around Jacksonville. And the last thing I talk about is beers, of course. All right, so that sounds like something you're interested in. Click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the content, and go hit the notification bell so you know when I drop my next video, okay? So let's get into today's video. Will the Feds lower the interest rates this week? All right, so if you haven't been following the news, the Fed's supposed to be meeting today, April 30th, and again tomorrow, May 1st. So will they lower the interest rates? Economists say, I really don't know. But based on what I've read and the research I've done, they had a target of 2% inflation rate. We haven't met that inflation rate yet, okay? So we're currently at 3.5. It came down a lot, but we haven't met our target in inflation rate. So based on that research and based on the things that I've studied is interest rates probably will not go down. I doubt if they go up, but who knows what's gonna happen. But now I wanna give you some information on how you still can lower your interest rates regardless of what the Feds do, okay? So first thing is shop around to other lenders. There's a lot of lenders out here that are doing some great incentives and giving a lot of buyers options to lower their interest rates. So if you aren't shopping around, you're doing yourself a disservice by not doing your due diligence to make sure you get the best interest rate possible. So the first thing I would advise you to do is shop around to get the best interest rate possible you can get. Second thing is we have something we call now, which is a rate buy down. So there's options for you to have the seller, as you buy the house, to buy down your rate. Now, there's a price that the seller will pay to the lender to lower their interest rate, and you can get a lower interest rate than what's currently on the market. So to find out more information about that, if you got any questions about that, hit me in the comment section. I'll get you connected to my lender and we can talk more about that. But there is a way that you can lower your interest rate currently. Now, it will go up year after year, but most times, not most times, but the thing is, if the interest rate comes down, you can then refinance your house to that new current lower interest rate and be a fixed rate, okay? So rate buy down is another way that you can lower your interest rate. And the last way to lower your interest rate is to buy down points. Now, buying down points means maybe you putting more money to buy the points down, or you could just put more money down to have a lower payment each month. So buying points or paying more on the price of the home will help you lower that interest rate to where you won't be paying a higher mortgage payment. So it was just 3 different ways that you can get a lower interest rate and pay a lower mortgage payment each month. So from one of the days of the 3s and 2s and 1s or whatever we had back in 2020, 2021, to now we're getting back to more of a sensible market. Will the interest rates go back down? Yes, they will go back down, but how far they go back down, who's really to know, okay? So I hope this gave you some value in what to do if you're thinking about buying a house. So if you have further questions, get with me in the comment section and I'll definitely get you connected to my lender and we'll have a buyer's consultation to talk what are your options and which ways we can go for your situation, all right? So I am the Bearded One, licensed Florida realtor here in Jacksonville, and I service all 4 counties. So if you're looking for to buy a house, hit me up and I'll definitely take care of you, all right? I'll talk to you soon.